Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you're looking for startup capital for your business and you're looking for grant money, I'm going to show you where to go. Now, the first place you want to take a look is Hello Alice, okay? So, with Hello Alice, they actually offer American Dream Awards, right? Now, you have to have your application in before April 30th, all right? Now, here's some of the questions that people ask. Do you accept applicants from businesses located outside the U.S.? Unfortunately, not. Okay. You have to be a U.S. based business. Are sole proprietors eligible? Yes. So that means that you do not have to register your business as an LLC, a S Corp, C Corp. Okay. So you can be a DBA in order to qualify for this here grant. And it says, are nonprofits eligible? Unfortunately, nonprofits are not eligible for this here grant. If you're having challenges with submitting your application, most issues can be resolved by clearing your browser cache and cookies. All right, because a lot of people have issues with trying to get submit their applications and stuff. Many a times that's usually what's happening. My situation has changed. Can I update my application? Due to volume of application, we are not able to accommodate updates to your application. So say that you need to put more information on the application to make you more of a qualified candidate, then you're not able to resubmit. Okay. I made a mistake on my application. Can I resubmit due to volume? No. That's the only thing about the situation. It's very hard, like if you make a mistake, to go back and correct it. I own multiple businesses. Can I apply more than once? You're only eligible for one award. So even if you have three or four businesses, you can only get one grant. How can I check my application? We will notify you. How do I know you receive my application? You will receive a confirmation email, all right, from Hello Alice. Okay. Now here's the thing about it. In order for you to get access to even apply for this grant, you actually have to sign up. Okay. What is the award application deadline? Now for this here one, this is an old one, but as you can see here, they have two. The application period starts October 4th, 23rd at 9 a.m. Eastern Time and ends April 30th. 2024. Okay, so award selected businesses are welcome to submit applications for one or multiple categories. Now, so you can have multiple businesses, but you can have multiple categories. So, what are your eligible criteria? The American Dream open a for-profit business based businesses. Okay. Can I nominate myself? Yes, you can nominate yourself. How does nomination process? You can nominate yourself or another deserving business. Okay, and so there's the link. What is the American Dream? The American Dream Awards share a spotlight on small business that optimize the modern American dream through their innovation. Okay, so those are the questions that a lot of people have in terms of how they qualify, do they qualify, and things of that nature. You're a gig worker, you're trying to get funding, you may want to take a look at Fundo. Okay, so now they offer merchant cash advances, and as you can see here, they offer up to $10,000. And let's answer some of the questions. Do I qualify? We aim to assist self-employed professional and small business owners by offering flexible financing solutions. Unlike traditional credit requirements, they don't look at the credit score. So this has nothing to do with your credit score, and that's great. The reason is there's a lot of people out here that are in the gig economy that have some blemishes on their credit, and they're trying to look for some money because they may have to do car repair. There may be an unexpected expense come up, bills past due, things of that nature, that they just need a little help to get those bills paid right away. All right. Now, here's to qualify for Fundo's financing. We require a minimum 3 months in business, so 90 days in business. Right, consistent account activity. So if you look working with Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, delivering packages, something like that, you have to have at least 3 months of consistency. Now, do you have to be a registered entity? No, just long as you're on one of the gig apps and you can show proof that that money is coming into your bank account. Now, the minimum income that you have to show is $1,500. All right, that's the minimum. All right, so that's very good in terms of trying to get some funding for your business. All right, so that's the reason that most people are not aware of these type of lenders. Now, the unfortunate thing is that they cannot offer loans in California and New York. So if you're in California, New York, this here may not be a benefit to you. Okay. What if I have bad credit? Can I qualify? So long as you don't have an open bankruptcy. So long as you don't have open bankruptcy. Now, let me explain this so that you all understand. A lot of these lenders, when they say there's no credit check, usually they're going to check LexisNexis. They're going to check the third-party credit bureaus like Clarity, which is owned by Experian, DataX, which is owned by Equifax, Factor Trust, which is owned by TransUnion. They would check those third-party credit bureaus to see, like I said, if you're in a bankruptcy. If you're not in a bankruptcy, then they have no issues with loaning you money. Just keep in mind that these loans that they offer, like I said, because they're merchant cash advance, the interest rates is going to be very high. All right, out of all transparency. Now, another place, if you have bad credit, but you have at least a 580 credit score, you may want to look at Capital One. Now, Capital One Spark Classic card. Now, the interesting thing about with the Capital One Spark Classic card, you could have had a personal Capital One credit card that went into collections and was charged off, but it's over a year old, you still may qualify for the Capital One Spark Business Classic card. Okay? Even with a 580 credit score and you had an account with them in the past, you still may qualify for this here card. This is Lendesa, okay? And as you can see here, they loan up to $20,000 for 18 months. You get the funds within 24 hours, and their interest rates is as low as 20%. Okay, and it is a cash advance. All right, so if you're in the gig economy, this is also a place for you to go. Now, in terms of qualifications, it's saying that your annual revenue has to be over 25,000, 550 credit score over 3 months in business. Now, also Lendesa, they actually have another loan for up to $5,000. Okay, so they do offer a loan, a smaller loan, up to $5,000, where you have to just have revenue for at least revenue at least around about 1,000 to 1,500. But here's some of the pros and cons. You can be approved for freelance cash within minutes. Low credit score won't impact you. All right. Now the 5,000 cash limit won't be enough. All right. So that's their $5,000 one. So they have a $5,000 one, and then they have more than $25,000. But again, you have to be making over $25,000 annually. Okay, so you're looking at what about $2,100 a month or something like that. So you're looking at about $2,100 a month working in the gig economy in order to qualify for this. All right. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention. I know that people out there is looking for money for their startups, or they already have an existing business, but they have bad credit. So I hope that this helps you all. If you have any questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off of the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation.